Welcome, my dear. Come sit with me for a little while, and let us remember some of life's gentle things. There was a time when nearly every kitchen held small remedies beside the bread and tea. People did not always rush to cupboards filled with medicine bottles. Sometimes relief began with warm water, herbs, and patient hands. Many grandmothers quietly believed the kitchen itself could comfort a weary body. A spoonful of honey, a clove of garlic, a little ginger simmering on the stove. These things were passed from one pair of hands to another for generations, not with loud promises, but with quiet trust. And perhaps that is why so many people still remember them today. When I was young, many homes carried the soft scent of herbs long before supper was ready. People kept simple remedies close because life asked them to care for one another gently. A grandmother might warm onions for the chest during winter nights. Someone else might stir honey into tea for a tired throat. These traditions were not complicated. They were built from observation, patience, and love. Today, some researchers are beginning to understand why certain old remedies endured for so long. Modern studies quietly support some of the wisdom carried through old kitchens. Not every remedy solved every illness, but many people believed simple care itself carried healing. Few kitchen remedies were trusted more deeply than warm tea sweetened with honey. Some homes prepared it almost automatically when coughing began. The warmth alone seemed to settle the body. Honey was often viewed as a soothing gift from nature itself. Long ago, many families kept jars of local honey through every season. Today, science is slowly rediscovering honey's calming qualities for sore throats. But perhaps people trusted it most because it felt caring. A warm cup offered quietly could calm more than discomfort alone. Some remedies worked through comfort as much as ingredients, and people remembered that feeling long after the illness passed. In many old kitchens, garlic was never very far away. Some families believed it protected the home during colder months. Garlic appeared in soups, broths, and simple warm meals. Its scent became part of daily life itself. Some grandmothers quietly believed garlic helped strengthen the body during difficult seasons. Today, researchers continue studying garlic's natural compounds with growing curiosity. But long before laboratories, people trusted what they observed over time. Simple traditions survived because families believed they helped. Even now, many kitchens still reach for garlic first when winter arrives. Some habits quietly endure because they continue to bring comfort. Perhaps the old kitchens were never truly about remedies alone. They were places where people cared for one another patiently, where simple things were treated with respect, and where comfort was often handmade. Today, the world moves much faster than it once did, but some people still return to these small traditions in quiet moments, not because they expect miracles, but because familiar care still means something deeply human. And maybe that quiet feeling is part of the healing too. Take gentle care of yourself this week, and perhaps make something warm for someone you love.